In Issuetrak, you need to be able to search on the issues that are important to you. If you know the issue number, you can use Lookup Issue Number in the left menu, or the white box in the upper right corner of the top menu. If you don't know the number, the Search Issues page gives you a list of fields you can use to find specific issues. You only need to fill out the fields that are important. If you want to see a list of all the issues you can see, leave the fields blank and click Search. Otherwise, fill out values. The more you fill out, the more narrow your search becomes. If your site has user-defined fields, you have the ability to include those by clicking the Add User-Defined Field to Search Criteria link, selecting the appropriate field from the drop-down and clicking Add to Search. You can repeat this for each field you want to include in your search. As you scroll down towards the bottom of the page, you'll see a section to determine your output options, how you want your search results to be displayed. You also have the options to give your search a name and save it. The gray box to the right will let you save your search. If you have the permission, you may have the option to share your search with others. Once you've input your criteria, then click the Search button at the top or bottom of the page, and your results will display. Any saved searches you've created or that are shared with you can be accessed from the Reports tab on the My Issues page. That's searching issues in Issuetrak.